Hello, literature lovers. Today I am going to discuss Angela Carter, as you can see. And the pen name is Angela Carter. She was an English novelist, short story writer, and known for her feminist and magic realism techniques. And she was known for her books. And personally, my favorite one is The Magic Toy Shop. And the works are really talked about magical. She is considered the 50 greatest British writers since 1945. So you can see, and her work, Night at the Circus, was selected as the best novel of James Ted Black Memorial Prize. So you can see she was really praised all over the world, especially for her work, and she was really talked, prescribed in many of the university syllabus, talking about her first novel, that is The Shadow Dance, and published under the name Honey Wizard in the United States. So it was really well acclaimed, and it was real on become a trilogy, and which has two other parts, as you can see. Now talking about The Magic Toy Shop, it was prescribed in my syllabus when I was doing my post graduation. So you can see I am really attached to this one, and it's a British novel, and it also explores her own sexuality. So has some really great trends. The plot summary is provided here, and you can talk about the different places which are talked here, the puppet show and all the things, and different phraseologies are used, Philip being a major character. Next comes The Night at the Circus. It's published 1984. So it's a postmodern magical realism and post-feminism novel, and talking about the fairy tale structure, and all started in London. And you can see few controversial topics are there, and talking about the child, and the ice cream parlor is very famous, and the madam Shrek is also quite famous. Different the sections are given here. Second section is the Petersburg, and all the important places are given here. Serbia is also another section of the work, and you can see it clearly how things are there. Talking about the setting of the work, it's the Great Imperial Tour. Next comes the Black Venus. It's very famous since it is based on the work by Charles Baudelaire. And next come The Wise Children. It's the last novel by Angela Carter, and especially talking about the twin sisters, in fact the identical twins. That is very special. You can feel the settings are so special, since it's also talk about King Lear and the Second World War, and the Midsummer Night's Dream. So you can feel how she used different references to make it more near real, near to the reality. Another work is The Infernal Desire Machines of Dr. Huffman. It's the World War First based thing. Sorry, I messed up a bit. It's World War First based thing, and you can feel it, the structure clearly. And it's also talking about the magic realism. The postmodern pastiche is used here. Feminism also runs through it. Mass media. Thanks.